Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have for you guys a really amazing money making website that lets you make money in a ton of different ways. So there's honestly no limit to the number of different methods that you can use to make money using this application because it just lets you do everything. So you know how some apps or websites will make you specialize and they'll do things like only surveys or only videos or only downloading applications? Well, for InstaGC, which is the app I'm going to review today, they let you do all of those and then some more as well. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos, show it to Master Figure Income online. Remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so as I said earlier, the website I'm showing you guys today is called InstaGC. It's a very old, long-term website that's been around for a while, so you know that they're very trustworthy because they've been able to stick around for so long and they have loyal users that continue to use this app because they know that they'll pay out. And I mean, before I even continue, if you look on the right side here where you see this chat, you can see what people have redeemed for recently. So for example, someone has redeemed a $9.91 PayPal reward, or maybe a $2 Amazon gift card, and even a $110 PayPal withdrawal. And like I said, PayPal's great because you can spend it on anything. It's basically like as if you have money in the bank. So that's really, really nice. And even if you want gift cards, they have a wide selection of gift cards as well. Probably the biggest selection that I've seen. So you can see that they even have like Google Play gift cards. And if you go down here, you can see what has been paying out to people recently. So you can see like this cholesterol, I think it's a survey, has paid out to 14 users 15 points. Or this one, your surveys too, has paid out to 77 users 70 points. So you can see which ones are pretty popular with people and which ones are guaranteed to pay out because they've already paid out for so many other people that it's almost guaranteed to work for you too. And the conversion rate for points to rewards here is 100 points, which you can see right here, is equivalent to $1 on the gift card or PayPal that you want to redeem. And actually, before I show you how to make money, I want to show you what the different options are to redeem on this website. So let's go to redeem and go to the gift card store. And you can see that they have a whole selection. Like there are pages upon pages, if you look down here, of gift cards that you can choose from. And you can just see right now that we're only on the A section, which means that there is honestly no shortage of gift cards or rewards that you can earn from this website. And like if you look right here, it says that they've redeemed 1,300,000 gift cards since they started. Now that's a lot of gift cards, and if you just assume that most people redeem around like $5 on average, that's a lot of money that they've given out. Almost, I guess, over $6 million that they've given out at least since they started this app. And so, like I said, they have Amazon, which I love. They have a ton of airlines, American Eagle, American Express. They have very popular ones and even some not so well-known gift cards as well. So you can get like this Animal Jam Antique Farmhouse Athleta. I don't know what any of those are, but if you do know what they are and you have some use for them, then you can definitely find it on this website. Now, another thing, if you don't want gift cards, you just go to other rewards right here, and this is where you can select, let's say, your direct deposit into your bank account, or depositing into your PayPal account, or also even just getting Bitcoin that you can put into your Bitcoin wallet. And if you want a prepaid debit Visa gift card, you can get that here as well. So they have no shortage of options, and it's really, really nice in that respect because you're not limited whatsoever with this app. And now there's this donate thing too. If you really want to help for a cause, then you can also come here and you can share your generosity with a charity. And they'll be more than happy to take it, and you'll feel good about yourself doing it as well. So that's also an option. Now besides that, they have some other things here, but they're not exactly rewards per se. They're more like sweepstakes where you're just going to be going into a contest. And it's like a random drawing contest, so if you get drawn, then you win, but I'd prefer to stick with the gift cards or the PayPal withdrawals or donation if you want to donate to a cause. Now, besides all those rewards, you may be wondering now, how do you make money? And let's go through that. Now, the first thing I want to show you guys is the referrals, because this is honestly the easiest way to make money. And you don't have to do anything, you just have to share your code, and people can sign up under it, and you'll get 10 points every time someone signs up, and you'll also earn 10% of all their earnings as well. So if they earn 100 points, you'll get 10 points added onto your account for literally doing nothing and just referring them. So your code's gonna be here. You're gonna have two different codes, one with numbers, one with your username. If you want to post your codes in my description of the video, then feel free to do that. Or sorry, in the comment section of the video, then feel free to do that. And you can hopefully sign up under each other's codes or links, and you can earn money from there. Now, beyond that, there's obviously other ways you can earn money that are a bit more involved, a bit more active, although still very simple and very easy to do. And you can see here, if you go to the Earn tab and go to Recommended, there are different tabs here that you can choose to make money. So, for example, if you want to download apps, just click on the Apps tab here, and you're going to be brought to these different selections of providers. So let's say I want to do AdGate Rewards, and it's going to bring me into this website, and it's going to show you different apps that you can download on your mobile device or your tablet or whatever. So you can see that there's this Norton Secure VPN, and it's for the iPhone, and it's going to give me 141 points if I download it on my iPhone and I begin this 30-day free trial. Now there's also other ones too, so you can like download a heart rate monitor app or this fitness and workout app, and they're going to give you 10 and 11 points respectively for downloading them, just like any other downloading application that you've seen before. You just download it, maybe use it for maybe 3-4 minutes, and then you close out, and the points should be credited into your InstaGC account. So I'm not going to go through that because there are other videos that I've shown that demonstrate that process. Now let me just go through a couple of the other options you can do. So for instance, there's this one called Clicks, and for this you receive points by visiting and browsing websites. So basically what you're going to do is they're going to give you these options of websites to visit, and for every website that you click on and visit, you're going to earn 0.5 points. So this is incredibly easy to do. It literally takes like a second. You just have to click on this, and it's going to bring you into the website. Well, for this one, it's not available, so let's try to find one that is available. And oftentimes they're sometimes not going to work, so you're gonna have to keep on trying until you find one that does work. But now this one does work, and all we have to do here is just maybe mess around with this link right here. So I'll just say my name, and then I'll just put in like an email. Okay, and now we'll just say confirm this is accurate, and we're gonna search for ads. And then now, if we just stay on here for a little bit more, then we'll be able to go back, and we'll be able to see that our points will have increased from what we had earlier. So now just stay here for a little bit longer, and then now let's try to exit out. And it should go up here. No, this is one I did earlier, but I guess you have to wait for a little bit, and we'll see if it does go up later on. Although for now, I'm just going to go to another one, and you'll see this one about healthy diets, and let's just do that as well and see how we do on this. Let me do a fake email just because I don't want to get spammed. Okay, so now we've submitted that, and it's going to bring us here. So now we're going to be seeing some sponsor results about this paleo diet, I guess. I don't think you necessarily have to click on it, but it doesn't hurt if you do, because just interacting with the website is more likely to reward you points for it. Okay, there you go. So now you can see here that we now have 3 completions. One of them I did earlier, but 2 of them I just did right now. And they each rewarded me 0.5 points for literally just opening this website and interacting with it for a little bit. And then that one is not working, unfortunately. So, like I said, it's very simple to do these click-based earning methods because all you have to do is just click on a website and stay there for like 10 seconds max, and you're going to earn the points for that. Now, beyond that, there's also this shopping option, and for this, all you're going to have to do is just go to certain websites that they sponsor. So, for example, Walmart, the Microsoft Store, or Groupon, and they're going to reward you a certain number of points for every dollar that you spend on that other website. So, for instance, for Microsoft Store, there's a 4% conversion rate. So, if you spend $1 on the Amazon Store, you're going to earn 4 points, and so forth. So, if you're going to buy an expensive laptop or something that costs maybe $1,000, then you're going to earn 4,000 points for buying it on the app from the Microsoft Store through InstaGC. And the same applies for Groupon and Walmart. So it's very easy to do that. And if you're already going to buy stuff from these other websites, then you might as well do it through InstaGC, so then you earn the cash back as well. So it's pretty much a cash back just like any other credit card or whatever. And yeah, it's very simple for that. Now, the next thing they have here are surveys. And for surveys, obviously, you know the drill. You just have to answer the questions that they give you. And when you get to the end of the survey, then they're going to reward you with however many points the survey is worth. So, like I said, I've gone through that a couple times now, so I'm not going to go through that on this video as well. Now let's go through the tasks. And for these tasks, they're just going to be different small little things you have to do. So for example, this TD guide, you just have to complete the registration. For cholesterol, you have to submit your email address, answer yes to both questions, check the box, and continue. So you can see they're not going to take you that long to do. And they're very straightforward, very simple things that you have to do. And they pay you a decent amount of money too. So like I said, this one is going to be 15 points, this one is 35 points, and so on and so forth. They're very easy, very straightforward. I recommend them if you have the time to be physically on your computer and doing things, because there are some passive ones, which I'm going to show you later on. And I mean, also the clicks are very easy to do as well, which are very mindless. You don't have to do any thinking. You can like watch a video on Netflix or something while you're doing the clicks. And yeah, so those are tasks, and those are a little bit more involved, but like I said, they're very easy to do, and I recommend you do them as well because they give you a good amount of points. Now, the next thing that they have here are trials, and for this, you receive points for signing up for trials, and you don't have to go past the trial period because they're going to charge you if you do that. So I recommend that you sign up for the trial and then cancel it immediately, so then you don't get charged for the extra service after the trial. So we're just going to go look at some offers. You can just see here, this one, you just have to sign up for the Crisp desktop app free trial and you get 25 points. Very easy, very straightforward. If you have the time, like I said, just do that as well. Now, the final method, which I want to show you, and probably one of the easier methods because you don't have to be on your laptop or your computer as much, are watching the videos. So for this one, all you have to do is just go to the videos page, and it's going to bring you into this screen where you can select different channels. So the channels will correspond to the topics that they're going to talk about in the videos. And let's say, for example, I wanted to learn about gaming. So now you can see here, it's going to say you just have to watch your Hideout TV games videos and earn for every video and ad that you watch. And your points will accumulate, and you can redeem your points 5 times every 24 hours. So you're going to earn 0.7 points for each video that you watch. So let's click on that. And now it's going to bring us to the games channel for Hideout TV. And you can see here that they have a Rocket League Xbox One review. And it's loading the ad right now. So let's wait for that to pop up, and we'll be able to see how many points we'll earn from this video. Alright, so now the video is playing, and you can see down here that it is a 3-minute and 20-second video. So I'm going to speed this up, and we'll wait until it ends, and we'll see the progress from there. Okay, so the previous video finished, and now it auto-plays to the next video, which is honestly the best part about this video watching method, because you don't have to really be on your laptop that much monitoring it, because it'll autoplay for you. So it's very passive, and you can honestly do it when you're doing any other thing. Maybe like if you're doing homework, you can just run this in the background, or if you're playing a game, you can also run this in the background. So like I said, this is one of the better methods of making money, because it's so easy, so passive, and it just does it by itself. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on making money online and at home.